collection was inspired by our own roots, Pakistani culture. I've taken Rajasthan and Cholistan and deserted areas. I've taken their colors, their embellishment techniques, their gota, and I've developed like couture outfits out of it. And then I have developed this jewelry. I'm wearing my own piece. So I loved doing the show because I'm getting great response. It's Pakistan. It's true Pakistan. It's like true essence of Pakistan, true colors. We are very vibrant. We like to celebrate over everything. So it was all about celebration.
It's a collection which is inspired by all intricacy and delicacy of the subcontinent, the Mughalai work, and even before that. So it's like bringing your heritage back forward and renewing it in a modern version.
But she came up with some really interesting pieces. I loved the interesting cuts and the shades and the color palette, which is superb. I think sometime in March when you showcased for BCW, that's when I really fell in love with her line. And I especially asked the people who she was and they pinpointed her out.
It's always very difficult to actually wear bridal dresses because they're very, very heavy and the styling is very heavy. There's a lot of heavy jewelry. There's everything as far as the hair is concerned, like there's a lot of pins and there's a lot of volume. So doing a bridal show is extremely, extremely difficult, but it's always a very good response.
I think this fashion week is remarkable, but somehow it's promoting the local culture, the local brands, especially HSY, Fawaz Hussain, they're a renowned name in Asia, and now they're promoting Pakistani brand, Pakistani culture abroad, and such fashion shows boost them up and give them a platform that they can showcase their work and they can approach to international markets.
Incredibly proud to be a part of it, not only as a director but also as a designer. I've been designing now for the last 14 years, but as a director, show director, this is going to be my 20 years. I direct every fashion week there is in this country, but this one is also very special to my heart because we get to do something a little different, something a little entertaining.